Will he have $1 million at retirement? That's the question I've been asked by one individual. Let's look at the data. It just so happens he is 51. So let's plug that in. He's got 230,000 at the moment, so he's done well. He wants to retire by 61, so in 10 years. Will he have enough? Current progress, 23% of the way there. No, he won't. He's going to fall short by 45% on current projections, which is probably going to come as a disappointing shock to him. There's the shortfalls and there's the targets, and we give some explanations as to why that's the case. Maybe you want to play around with this yourself. Now, here's the magical trick. You might say, well, surely the answer is he's just got to wait and wait and wait. Well, at this rate, he won't be retiring, and this is really bad news for him if he wants to get that million, until he's 73. Now, I don't want to ruin his day. Let's see if we can get him to 61. How might we be able to do that? Well, we haven't got a time machine, so we can't move his current age. He's not about to win the lottery, so we can't move the current amount. We could reduce the target amount, but there's a reason why he wants $1 million, because there's a certain lifestyle he wants to have. The growth rate, that's where we come in at the Great Investments Program. We can't guarantee growth rates, but we can certainly increase your education on how to achieve them. If we can get him closer to, well, let's just say the average of what the American markets have been doing for the last 15 odd years, then he's 93% of the way there by the time he's 61. Increase that to just a tiny bit more, and boom, he can get there. Maybe even if we don't do so well, and we expect to do better than the broader market anyway, but even if we just matched it, maybe he has to retire a few months later. That's not bad. The secret is that figure there. It is the growth number, and that's what people consistently get wrong. So play around with the tool, campaignforamillion.com/tools. Look at your numbers. It'll give you a really good idea of what you need to do. And by the way, if you want to learn more, we've got a button on the side. It's right there. Okay. It's all free. Yeah, that's right. It's all free. It's part of my campaign for $1 million to teach 1 million people how to add an extra $1 million through good education to their portfolios across their lifetimes. And you can see how we're doing it. We focus on the opportunities for growth. Okay, get in touch with us. And we've got a new thing. You can actually call us. The links are also there. campaignforamillion.com/free call. Just book a call and we'll give you one-to-one education on where you might be falling short and what you might want to do. All completely free. Thank you.